Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Belay Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we're flying high with two drones that are ready to take your aerial game to the next level. On one side, we have the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, and on the other, the DROCON drone. Let's see which one will make your wallet take off and which one might just crash and burn. Helicopter collision. Let's start with the first thing on everyone's mind. Price. The Potensic Atom SE comes in at a cool $299. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is a budget-friendly $109. So if you're looking to save some green, DROCON is your guy. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Or in this case, you might get what you don't pay for. Flying money. Now, let's talk cameras. Potensic boasts a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor, which means you're getting 12 megapixels photos and 4K video at 30 FPS. That's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket, movie camera. On the other hand, DROCON offers a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Not bad, but let's be real, it's like comparing a blockbuster to a home video. Video cam reviewers have praised the Potensic for its high-quality camera, while DROCON's camera is noted to be functional but not the best. Next up, flight time. Potensic gives you a whopping 62 minutes of flight time with 2,500 milliamp-hours batteries. That's an entire hour of sky-high fun. Sun behind small cloud DROCON? Well, it gives you 24 minutes with 2 batteries. So just enough time to get some decent footage before it's time to land. It's like Potensic is the marathon runner and DROCON is, well, the guy who forgot his running shoes. Man running reviewers have praised Potensic for its impressive flight time, while DROCON is appreciated for its dual battery feature but criticized for shorter flight duration. How about ease of use? Potensic is beginner-friendly with its Surge Fly flight control system, offering 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport. In sport mode, it zips around at up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. Sports Metal DROCON, though, is no slouch either. It features headless mode, 1-key start, land, and altitude hold. It's basically the training wheels of drones. Perfect for beginners, but maybe not for the thrill-seekers out there. Man biking reviewers have highlighted Potensic's stability and ease of use, while DROCON is praised for being user-friendly, especially for children. Now, let's dive into some special features. Potensic has a precise GPS auto-return, multi-flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight. It's like having your own personal aerial chauffeur. Helicopter DROCON comes with gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, 360-degree flip, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, but can it really do all that without falling apart? Thinking Face reviewers have praised Potensic for its reliable GPS and flight modes, while DROCON is noted for its variety of features, albeit with some concerns about durability. Last but not least, portability. Both drones are under 249 grams and foldable. Potensic fits snugly in your jacket pocket, while DROCON comes with a suitcase. So, Potensic is like that cool friend who travels light, and DROCON is like that friend who brings a suitcase for a weekend trip. You know who you are. Luggage reviewers have praised Potensic for its compact design, while DROCON's carrying case is appreciated for added protection. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is highly praised for its high-quality camera, impressive flight time, ease of use, and reliable special features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is appreciated for its affordability, user-friendliness, and variety of features, though it has some drawbacks in terms of camera quality and durability. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you're looking for high-end features and don't mind investing a bit more, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and just want to dip your toes into the world of drones, the DROCON drone might be your new best friend. Either way, you're in for a lot of fun and maybe a few crash landings. Tears of joy. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time and fly smart. Helicopter Sparkles.